What's up, guys? This is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we got a special video today. This is the new Sonos Move. Now, if you've watched any of our videos in the past, you know that we do a ton of Sonos. We don't always do their speakers, unless we're doing like the widgets in the ceiling with some Play One, something like that. But this is kind of a product that's unique and different to add to the Sonos lineup, Sonos world, as you might say. So I've got two of them here, and what's cool about these guys is that obviously you can have one, take it outside, move it around from room to room, take it to the patio, or for instance, we have a client that's coming up that he actually wants two of these to go out on the pool area. It's a small pool, it's close by, there's no landscape. Didn't really want to do a landscape system, so this was his solution because we have Sonos already in the house. So this is a great way to add some great sound that's portable and without having to worry about plugs because these are chargeable. So let's do an unboxing, kind of check it out and the setup. So let's get started. So obviously we have a let's get started pack on the top. Just some instructions, connect to power. Here's your quick start guide. But connect the Move to power, download the app, get a chance. Now, one thing, guys, that makes this product so special and different is that your typical Sonos stuff had to connect on your home network. Well, since you're taking these outside, because these are outside rated, and you're going to put these around the pool or on the patio or somewhere maybe your Wi-Fi doesn't reach, let's say, well, you can actually connect to these through Bluetooth, so which is unlike their other speakers. So it's something pretty cool. All right, so we're getting this out, and of course they always have this nice little velvety sack around the speaker. Pretty cool. And of course, the reason why I'm sure they call this the Move, because you can move it around. It's made to move. It's mobile. It doesn't mount. It's matter of fact, it's pretty much got a handle right here, guys. See, pretty neat. See, like there, a little groove handle. So, and then inside that, you have your power button. Oh, your Bluetooth pairing button. And the connection, and then you have your connectors here at the bottom. All right, so then we have the base. Let's get this out of the way. Too many big boxes up here. Hey, what are you guys thinking of the background? It's we have a lot of light coming in here from this window, but this is what we did with Stellar Sky Systems, a video we did not too long ago, but it's kind of a neat background, changes colors, all controlled through an app, so super cool stuff. So if you didn't see that video, go back and check it out. We're using their ambience lighting and hope to be doing their fiber optics lighting here very, very soon. So this is kind of cool. Man, it's kind of wild how comes out. All right, so this is it's kind of different. This is our first one of these guys to get in, so I'm looking at it for the very first time with you guys, so pretty cool. So this is the base. So just a little ring, you see that? It's got a kind of long power cord and a big power supply. And so inside that ring has these little prongs. And so when you set this in with the little prongs right there, then it charges. So let's go ahead and plug this in, get some power going to it. I happen to have power supply right underneath this desk. Super convenient. And then we'll plug it in, we'll set it in this place. Oh, very nice. So the light on top is flashing because it's charging. Super cool. All right, so at the top of the unit is touchscreen. It's got a microphone at the top as well. It's now flashing green. So again, guys, this is a great solution for a place that you don't want to permanently mount speakers, and you want some decent sound, and you know they may be they may be too far outside the reach of your Wi-Fi. So without worrying about them not connecting, you can get one or two of these bad boys, take them out to where you're at. You don't even have to worry about having power, because guess what? They recharge. So with this charging station, so take them out and enjoy them out in your little picnic area by the pool, or wherever you're going to be out, which is super cool. Again, guys, because these can connect Bluetooth to your system or your phone versus having to connect on your home Wi-Fi. So that's what makes these so different to all the other Sonos speakers. So very cool. Now let's take you guys into the app, or let me get into the app and see if we need to do any kind of setup. Let's say we want to connect on the Bluetooth without, you have a mode button for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, join button. Okay, so let's see if we can connect Bluetooth, see if it shows up. All right, so now we're going through the setup on the Sonos Move, and to get started, I want you to add it to your home Wi-Fi first, just to go through all the updates and everything. So now I've added it to my Sonos account. Now it's wanting me to put in my Wi-Fi password, hoping that I put in the right one. We all know how bad we are with passwords, because everybody keeps changing it on what it requires these days. Probably a good thing though. So it says connecting Sonos Move to the network. So of course now it says there's an update available. Make sure that you do this first. And then you could also do tune in with TruePlay, adapt the sound of the speakers to the acoustics of the room. We are not going to do that at this moment, but you could once you get your setup in, and if you're going to take it out to wherever you're going to take it to improve the sound in that environment. So while it's going through its long update, I'll catch back up with you guys as soon as this update's done, and we'll go on from there. All right, it says the update is done. The Move has been added. You can now personalize it in settings. The Sonos Move can auto TruePlay to adapt to your environment, and we're not going to do that at this moment, but you could to adjust for the microphone. So we're going to say not now. So there we go. All right, so now we want to go to our players. So now it shows I have a Sonos Move, and we also have a game room. And obviously if you added two Sonos Moves, you can name them or label them something completely different. So I'm going to select the Sonos Move. What's really cool, guys, is it actually tells you the battery percentage at the very top. I don't know if you can read that or not. Let's see there. But this says it's got 36% battery. So what's cool is that you can have this out playing your music, and through the app you can see what the battery level is on your Move. So very, very cool. Let's pick some music. Of course, I need to be careful with what music we play because we'll have to put some copyright-free music on so no one gets all bent out of shape. Let's see here, we'll find something. Okay, I'm playing it in there. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna group that with this one. So there we go. Not bad. Let's see what kind of settings we have for like bass, treble. Go settings. We'll go to the Sonos Move. So you can, in the app guys, you can know if you see that or not, but you can set it up as a pair or a single. So right now we have a single, but we have another one over here that when we go out to the client's home, we're going to set this up as a pair, so he can put these on each side of the space. So let's go in and do some EQing. Okay, a little bass there, a little treble. Okay, not bad. Now we're going to take it off the bass, and see guys, it's wireless, still playing. So till I turn it off. So when we press the Bluetooth button in the back, guys, when you go in your Bluetooth settings, it'll show up at the bottom, and I'm sure you can't see that, but at the bottom it says Sonos Move. So I'm going to select it. Now it's connected. So now I can go to any of my apps, and again, so I'll go to Spotify, and we'll pick some license-free music. We'll select something. There we go. And now we're on Bluetooth, because on the back, guys, remember there's a button. Select it, shows up on your Bluetooth settings of your app or your phone, and then you just go to whatever app you want to play. So super cool. Now let's take it off the stand. Oh yeah. Not bad. So we'll take it way over here, let's say. And again, guys, we're just playing off Bluetooth. I've got it, I don't know, 10 feet or so that way. And sounds pretty good. Again, this is an easily transportable speaker that you don't have to worry about carrying out a power cord or any kind of cabling. So super cool. Another good way to get your music outside or to an area that you would normally not have music, that you couldn't physically run wires to or don't want to run wires to for a typical type of speaker system. So this makes a great solution from Sonos, and it also integrates with the rest of your Sonos system. So very, very nice. A full charge will get you many hours of play to enjoy your music all day long. So let's try real quick, turn it down for a second, and let's go to, let's just go to like a video. We're gonna watch music videos, let's say, or a video on, let's say, YouTube. And let's see here. We'll see, license-free music for videos. And yeah, there we go. And of course, YouTube, you got an app. Why there's got to be an app? Or not an app, you have an ad. Who wants ads? So, and of course, some of these make you watch the ad. But there we go. So now, let me turn this up a little bit. We have copyright free music on a video playing Bluetooth on the Sonos Move. So guys, you can play whatever you want from your phone, Bluetooth, AirPlay, on the Wi-Fi, to this one speaker. Lots of great solutions to take this speaker in and outside your house by just charging it. Super nice and convenient, guys. So if you haven't liked, please like the video. It really means a lot. Subscribe, and hope we see you guys on the next one. See ya.